Okay, good morning parents, good morning kids. So here I want to give you reading tutorial for the next week from 10th until 13 August 2026. Okay, so let's start to reading English first. Follow me. The dog, dog, dog. The duck, duck, duck. Egg, 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 elbow, elbow, elbow. Fish, fish, fish. Fan, fan, fan. Fat, fat, fat. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Doll, doll, doll. Five, five, five. Sekarang kita akan membaca dalam bahasa Indonesia. Ba, 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 ba. B, babe, babe, babe. Bibi, bibi, bibi. Bobo, bobo, bobo. Mama, mama, mama. Mimi, mimi, mimi. Nana, nana, nana. Nini, nini, nini. Dada, dada, dada. Dadu, dadu, dadu. Okay, that's all for our reading tutorial. Don't forget to send your reading record to our group. Thank you and see you.